हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज इंग्लिश सेशन। हम बात कर रहे हैं एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के बारे में अपने टॉपिक अ ट्रूली ब्यूटीफुल माइंड में। लेट अस सी अभी तक हमने आइंस्टाइन के बारे में क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन ली है। वी टॉक्ड अबाउट आइंस्टाइन्स बर्थ एंड अर्ली चाइल्डहुड। आइंस्टाइन को बचपन से ही मैकेनिकल टॉयज के साथ खेलना बहुत पसंद था। When his sister Maja was brought near him, he checked and tried to find out her wheels. He thought that Maja is also a mechanical toy. हमने पढ़ा कि आइंस्टाइन was teased by the children of his age. He was called brother boring. ऐसा क्यों था? क्या सच में आइंस्टाइन बोरिंग थे? Yes. दूसरे बच्चों के लिए वो बोरिंग थे। Why? Because he loved playing with mechanical toys only, and he loved playing by himself. He did not know what to do with other children. This is the reason he was bullied. He was called brother boring. And we also agreed upon the fact that bullying is a bad thing. We should not be bullies. Rather, we should be buddies. हमने पढ़ा कि स्कूल में एक बार आइंस्टाइन के हेडमास्टर ने उनके फादर से कहा था कि आइंस्टाइन इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक इट इन हिज लाइफ। ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा? रीजन, आइंस्टाइन ऑल्सो हेटेड स्कूल। व्हाई? बिकॉज आइंस्टाइन डिड नॉट लाइक द रेजिमेंटेशन, द स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स इन द स्कूल। हमने बात की थी कि एक आइडियल स्कूल वो होगा जिसमें लिबरल अप्रोच एज वेल एज स्ट्रिक्ट अप्रोच का एक बैलेंस हो। We also came to read about Einstein's passion, that was playing violin. He started learning when he was just 6. Let us talk about Einstein's higher education. Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland. Why? Because Switzerland was much more liberal than Munich. और आइंस्टाइन को लिबरल सिटी में पढ़ना था। उन्हें रेजिमेंटेशन, उन्हें स्ट्रिक्टनेस पसंद नहीं थी। एंड हिज विश केम ट्रू। आइंस्टाइन ही वाज हाईली गिफ्टेड इन मैथमेटिक्स एंड फिजिक्स, एंड आफ्टर फिनिशिंग स्कूल ही डिसाइडेड टू स्टडी एट अ यूनिवर्सिटी इन Zurich. Now an important twist in Einstein's personal life. Einstein, he meets Mileva Maric. Who was Mileva Maric? She was a young Serb, an intelligent girl. Einstein found her to be a clever creature, and Einstein himself had grown into a really dashing young man with a walrus mustache. When both of them met, they fell in love. What happened next? क्या आइंस्टाइन ने मिलेवा से शादी की? और अगर की तो किन प्रॉब्लम्स को उन्हें फेस करना पड़ा? सबसे पहला इशू कहाँ क्रिएट हुआ? जब आइंस्टाइन्स मदर, she was against Einstein's wish to marry Mileva for 2 reasons. What were the reasons? First reason, Mileva was 3 years older than her son. And the second reason was Mileva's intelligence. Einstein's mother had said that she is a book like you. उनकी मदर को लगता था मिलेवा is not the right choice for Einstein. What happened next? The couple finally married, and that was in the year 1903. After that, they had 2 sons. But the things changed. After a few years, the marriage faltered. उनके बीच में झगड़े शुरू होने लगे। ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because Mileva, हमने अभी पढ़ा था that Mileva was a very intelligent girl. But here She had become an unhappy housewife. She had lost her intellectual ambition, and because of this, there were constant fights between them. They got divorced in the year 1919, and in the same year, Einstein married his cousin Elsa. So, this is about Einstein's marriage, his divorce, and his remarriage. With this, we come to the end of today's session. I'll leave you with a task. You all have to do some research on Albert Einstein and find out the name of his college in Zurich and which course he pursued there. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Till next session, take care. See you.